Hey, it's AK here with Chaos Fab Shop, and I am super excited to tell you all about our new partnership with Katzkin. So they've got so many new products that I wasn't even aware of. Did you know that you can have not only heated seats, and that's cool, but you can do cooled seats in your Jeep. So when you're out cruising and it's hot and you want to get inside of there, flip on the cooled seats and now your back's not all sweaty. The other thing that I like is that if you've got cloth seats in there, you can upgrade this to some really, really cool materials. Come take a look at this real quick. I was blown away whenever I saw this. Take a look inside of here. They have a new way to do the seats and their perforation that's in there that you can do an American flag pattern. You can still have the heated, you can still have cooled seats inside of there. It's absolutely beautiful. I also like that if your seats are old, they're worn out, so many people will just put on a seat cover or something that'll just slip on the outside, and it just doesn't look that nice. But these are a full replacement. So if you've got cloth seats, the cloth is coming off. If you've got older leather seats that are worn out, the leather is coming off, and their new material is going on, and they're making all of this stuff. So you can pick what color you want on the inside. You can pick what color you want on the seat. You can pick what color you want on the stitching. They did a great job in matching my nails on this one. I really like that. So the options are endless. If you've got a favorite color that you've got for your tennis shoes or for whatever it may be, you can make your seats match your D-rings on your front bumper. You can make them match your lights or whatever else that you want to. Come check us out. We're happy to install Katzkin Leather inside of your vehicle. We can also do this for factory options. If you've got worn out seats and you just want to replace front seats or back seats or something like that and update everything, we can do it for you. Come see us over here at Chaos Fab Shop.